folks, in this video I'm going to show you the best trading strategy that you've never heard of, okay? And I can almost guarantee you that no matter what market you trade, whether you trade Forex or futures or stocks, I am going to show you the best trading strategy that you can potentially deploy on any market and any of your favorite symbols, okay? And it is my mission that by the end of this video, you'll be able to fire up your charts and make them look exactly like this. Okay, so let's get started, folks. My name is Mark at Dino Trading. Welcome back to the channel, and I'm on a mission to show all you guys and gals out there in YouTube land how to get started with the best trading strategy in the universe. All right. First things first, what you're seeing on the screen right now is a chart of the S&P 500. This is the global benchmark. You can just trust me when I say this is the most widely traded symbol on any asset class. If you trade Forex, your symbol is SPX 500. If you trade futures, your symbol is ES. And if you trade stocks and options, your symbol is SPY, what they call the SPY. Okay? And what you're seeing overlaid on top of the S&P 500 chart is the essence of this best trading strategy. You see this green and red color band, right? This is a volume-based directional filter. If you're going to have any hope of deploying a best trading strategy onto your charts, then guess what's the number one most important factor that you got to get right? I'll give you a couple of seconds. I know you know what I'm going to say, right? Getting the direction right, in my opinion, is the most important factor on any trading strategy. Again, whether you trade Forex or futures or stocks, you got to get the direction right. You know what I'm saying? The market can either go up like it did today, and by the way, I'm going to show you some really awesome entries here and how this volume indicator just nailed some perfect setups from today. Okay, but anyway, so this volume band, what I call the volume indicator or the vol for short, it's a directional filter. All it does is it tells you who's in control. If you see this volume color band red, what that means is the sellers are in control and it's time to potentially start looking for short opportunities. And on the flip side, as we saw today, when the volume indicator turns green, this is your clue that if you're going to fire up any kind of best trading strategy, okay, that the buyers are now in control. And if you believe in trend trading as much as I do, and if you agree that trend trading is probably the most powerful style of any trading strategy, then when it turns green, folks, all you're doing is thinking about buying the market, okay? Because anytime it's green, and it was green all day today, all right? If it's green and you try to short this market, then shame on you. Okay, so now let's get to the good stuff. All right, let me show you, let me go ahead and zoom in here and show you what potential setups and signals might look like. Let me just go ahead and get rid of some of this text here, clean up the charts a little bit. All right, folks, this is not brain surgery. This is not rocket science, all right? When it comes to finding the best trading strategy, number one, it's green and red, okay? Now, in this instance, the use case that I'm going to show you here is an instance of what do you do when this volume indicator turns green. Number one, you already know that you're supposed to be on the lookout for long opportunities. You're a buyer, and that's all you're thinking about doing. So one of my favorite techniques within the context of any best trading strategy is to look for a retracement. Okay. What's a retracement look like? I'm going to show you right now. I can promise you that in the next 30 seconds, you're going to be a master of retracement trading. Watch this. Retracement patterns, folks, have three legs. They look like this. Leg number one establishes the direction. Okay. Leg number two is the retracement. For those of you longtime subscribers to the channel, this is not new to you. You've seen this before, right? And leg number three, if you get leg number three, is the market taking off in your favor. Makes sense? So again, I'll repeat myself. 1, 2, 3. 3 legs to the pattern. You follow what I'm saying? So if we go ahead and try to superimpose this onto the market, isn't that interesting? Okay. How we got a textbook retracement trade today. Okay. So then what? Once you identify and spot a retracement pattern, what do you do next? Well, let me clean this up and show you what you do next. What we want to do next is we want to try to find areas in the market where the price came underneath the color. Makes sense? And what we're also trying to do is find color matches. If the color of the band is green, then I want to look for green bars that came directly after a red bar. And for me, the qualifying criteria is it has to be underneath the color band. You follow? So with this particular trading strategy, there were only two setups where everything I just said was true. Here's location number one, where that part of the trading strategy was true. And wouldn't you know it, here is another location in the market where that condition was true. Okay? Now I challenge you, I'm going to ask you a serious question right now. Was anything that I illustrated to you here in this best trading strategy, was any of it complicated? Was any of it confusing? Right? Probably not. This is without a shadow of a doubt the most simplistic trading strategy and trading style that you've ever heard of. I can almost guarantee that. And to put that in context, this right here is what a lot of amateur retail traders and people who don't know what they're doing try to use. This is your strategy that you're using. And you tell me, folks, which trading strategy would you prefer to deploy onto your charts? This one here, or do you think you'd prefer this one here? It's a night and day difference, ladies and gentlemen. So what's the takeaway from watching this video on the best trading strategies in the universe? Well, number one, first takeaway that I want you to glean from watching this video is, look, your trading doesn't have to be complicated and confusing. Your charts don't have to look like this, right? If you want to have any hopes and dreams of becoming a successful trader, and remember the odds, 97% of traders fail, and they fail miserably. Why? Because they don't know what they're doing. They have no trading strategy. They're just out there trying to call tops and bottoms, right? And takeaway number two, let the trend do the heavy lifting for you, right? This is volume. Volume is a factor of any trend following strategy. Look, folks, what do you think caused this massive move to the upside today, right? Wasn't me, wasn't you. It was the big money, the smart money, the institutional players, the hedge funds, and, my opinion, the algos, okay? 70% of all trading these days, folks, is done by computer algorithms. And so on their side, if their trading strategy says they all have to buy the market at the same time, this is what happens. And this allows people like me and you to easily spot the trend, right, via the color change of this volume indicator. And it also allows us to look for very, very nice signals in terms of taking our entries. Okay, so I hope you found this video on the best trading strategy in the universe very helpful, very informative. I hope I was able to bring a level of clarity to your trading on a daily basis. And I can't wait to see what this market has in store for us. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.